Good evening guys. Meron tayong napulot na TV. Sobrang laking TV. Ito yung nakuha ko na na speaker. Subwoofer, kabilang speaker. Yan, pakita ko sa inyo guys. Ito yung wiring niya. Yan, mga lang nakaka-relate nito. Mahilig sa sound. 20 watts. 20 watts, 3 ohms. Yan, ito yung sub niya, then stereo. Yan yung linya niya. Sub, ito yung black and red, and then yung surround niya, stereo. Yan, black, yellow, blue, black. Yan, nakaparallel tayo. Boop! Yan, patutunugin ko muna. Yan, gamit ang ating napulot din na FM, EM. Yan.
7-5. Wish time is 6:16.
Hero.
Bedtime check is brought to you by Keratin Plus. Ang keratin na may
Nakasan nga natin, we.
Yes, ganda ng hair.
Yung antenna niya, ginamit ko muna yung
Shiny and healthy with regular use.
yung tester, wire.
Nakaka-impress. Try mo na sis. Be an empress for impressive
Hindi ko pa
hair.
talaga nagawan to ng
shampoo with
bahay.
regular use. Empress shampoo for impressive hair.
Bianca, may gusto ka raw i-confess sa akin.
Yes, kuya. Last week, gumamit ako ng
Lakas.
Silka Green Papaya Soap. Tinry ko lang, kuya.
Oh, may napansin ka bang kakaiba?
Hindi lang ako ang nakapansin. Si mommy, si daddy, pati mga friends ko. In as early as 7 days, naging radiant ang kutis ko.
Sa tingin mo, bakit ganito ang nangyari?
Sa tingin ko po, kuya, kasi boosted ito with green papaya enzymes. And with regular
Lakas to.
use,
Kapansin-pansin ng Kutis Silka in as early as 7 days.
with regular use, kitang-kita ang kutis Silka with Silka Green Papaya Soap. Boosted with green papaya
Sira ito yung
enzymes.
kabila.
Silka Green Papaya Soap.
Ate girl, nag-Alcoplas ka ba? Ikaw, Kuya Mano, nag-Alcoplas ka ba? Siyempre, hindi niyo ako masasagot.
Sira ito.
Katsu to eh. Dimples Romana po, ang tagapagpaalala
Ito,
ng kalinisan.
tumutunog.
Ako plus Alcoplas.
Isopropyl alcohol is the generic name of Alcoplus. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Nag-Alco Plus ka ba? Ako
Yun,
plus Alco Plus.
Uy, protect!
Subwoofer.
Aoy! 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 Oy! Aoy! It's a gold! It's a fresh!
Lakas, kahit mali.
Mag-all-new Protect Soap. Helps protect freshness feeling every day up to 8 hours. With regular use. 99, abot kaya na.
Ito yung
Na doctor's consultation sa tulong ng Maxicare.
supply na pwede battery. Yan guys, kabila. Ito naman yung nagawa natin ng paraan. Yan, may empty. Sana kaya pag nakatapat dito sa ilalim.
Prima by Maxicare Clinics. Care product.
CPR.
Medic the number is manufacturing corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
Sira yung speaker. Ito dito banda. Linaw ang subwoofer.
Kindly review the terms and conditions in the disclosure statement before proceeding with the loan transaction. To know more, visit the GCash Help Center or call us at 2882 Globe or TM 0272139999. Incorporated is regulated by social media pages on TikTok and X, it's simply at DJ Adam 1075. On Facebook, it's DJ Adam-Wish107.5. And on Instagram, I am back to using my air name. It used to be my actual legal government name
Supply
that I was
natin.
using, but now I had it switched up to at DJ Adam 1075.
Yan ang pinaka-supply. Naka 9 volt tayo.
Wish Music Awards. They had to
Yeah.
do it for the branding. So give your
Yan,
boy
ito yung
a follow.
naka-ano
Again,
niya.
it's simply at DJ Adam 1075 on Instagram.
Paliha,
I
basag.
appreciate holla, high five, and keep on wishing. I got you some Lara Fabian
Gagawan ko to
right
ng
here
ano
from
eh.
2017 to be followed by
Box.
collab between 3T and the King of Pop, Michael Jackson,
Din
ending this
speaker.
concert with some Paloma Faith. Here's perfect Lara Fabian.
Kakat
on
ko to
Wish
dito.
1075.
Yan. Then lalagyan ko ng dalawang maliit na speaker. Pakita ko sa inyo guys. Giro. CPR. Ito guys, yan na. Ito yung gawin kong Twitter. Yun o. Yan, itong dalawa. Kakat ko to. Itong dito nga side. Ito lang yung sub at saka yan, bubuhin ko to. Yan, abang-abang guys. Yan o. Ito yung gawin kong Twitter, dalawa. And then ito yung sa ano, pangdagdag sa mid. Yan, abang-abang guys. Yun, mayroon tayong discover na ano. Yan, hanggang dito na lang guys. Pasilip sa ano. Ang ganda pala yung speaker ng ano, ng TV. Yun, thank you for watching. Bye bye. Yan, abang-abang guys, ano, yung pag anong magiging ganap nito pag matapos itong aking trip na sound. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.